Trying to chainsaw me? Well...
Do not let good users watch your stupid video. Only good users watch this video.
Thanks, Freddy Klaskitsupo. Trying to tell me to go...
Wait a minute. That color pencils again. I will remove you. Here you go, MMA155 the spooky cane. Now you can continue.
Right then. So you draw on my video and added some pencils in here. Well, never works either. Nice try, but doing that doesn't works. Good thing 38 saved me.
Even though I don't have arms, I can do everything you guys can. If you're happy and you know. Kaboom. Yes, Rico. Kaboom.
You failed to say that. And right now, that should be a 44th count. One more. Thanks for your help of the 168 number. Now, get prepared for the 35 action failure. You failed for doing that. Good thing of balls 968 number saved me from it. Now this background is now light red. So now that should be your 35th count.
That's it! I vote to you. Die! Here is your 26th action failure.
Let your kids watch this.
Thanks, Bobby Rotten from Lazy Town. You failed for killing me for the multiple times just like in the previous one.
How dare you to MMA 155 the spooky cane. Now that's it. I'm gonna be vanished you. Here is your 26th action failure.
Thanks for your help. Becoming friends to me will never work. Good thing is... Right. You failed for trying to hide my video on purpose.
How dare you? That's it. Don't even interrupt.
Thanks again for the third time, Ethan Bryson.
You're welcome, MMA155 Spooky Cane.
You failed to replace the audio with other one. But luckily, Ethan Bryson saved me for the third time. And for this, that should be a 39th count. One more until the spectrum will be red. Oh, if I see you do this one more time, I will be becoming mad at you.